In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Wise transaction history. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're using Wise for your international money transfers and you want to keep track of your finances, checking your transaction history is super important. Whether it's to confirm a payment or just to keep an eye on your spending, I'll walk you through the steps you need to take to access this information. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wise account. To do this, navigate to the Wise homepage, which you can find at wise.com. Once you're on the page, look for the Login option. If you're on a laptop or desktop, it's typically towards the top right corner of the web page. Click on it and enter your email and password. Make sure you've got the right credentials handy. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it right there on the login page. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Transactions section. On your dashboard, you should see a menu at the top or a side panel. Look for the option labeled Transactions. This is where all your transaction history is stored. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the page that shows all of your past transactions. Now, depending on how active your account is, you might see a detailed list of all your transactions. This will typically include information like the amount you transferred, the currency, the date of the transaction, and the recipient's details. It's quite handy to see everything in one place, right? If you don't see any transactions listed and you know you've made some in the past, double-check to ensure you're on the right account. Sometimes, it's easy to get mixed up, especially if you manage multiple accounts. If you happen to be logged in and are greeted with an empty transaction history, which is what I see right now on my test account, don't worry. You can find a link that says something like, "You can see all the transactions here." This will direct you to a more detailed breakdown of your transaction history. Clicking on that link should bring you to a page where you can filter and sort these transactions according to varying criteria, such as dates or types of transactions. In the Transaction History section, you might also find options to download your history in a variety of formats or to view specific transaction details. This will help if you need to send proof of a transaction, perhaps for your accounting or for any formal requirements you might have. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily check your Wise transaction history with just a few simple clicks. Keeping track of your transactions is crucial, especially when managing finances across borders, and Wise makes it accessible and straightforward. If you're ever in doubt, remember that their help center is just a click away. They've got resources and FAQs that can guide you further if you have specific questions or run into any complications. So as a quick recap, you start by logging into your Wise account, navigate to the Transactions section where you can view your history, and from there you can explore your past activity as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Again, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your finances effectively. Happy tracking!